Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shah. Today we're going to be talking about Euphoria. It is a fork of Olympus Doa, similar to Time Wonderland, and it is on the Harmony blockchain. So I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how you guys can get some WAGMI to stake it for 618% APY on Euphoria. So what you're going to do is you're going to send your MetaMask wallet Harmony from either Binance or KuCoin. When you do that originally, it's going to say that it is an invalid address. When that happens, I want you guys to go on to explorer.pops.one. When you put in your address, it will tell you your MetaMask address. It will tell you the proper Harmony One address to put into KuCoin or Binance, and then you will be able to receive your Harmony One. As you can see, this is my address, but this was what I received from my one Harmony address. So make sure this is what you enter when you send over the one. This is probably the impediment most people run into, but I'm showing you guys live how we sent almost 3,500 one, which is about $1,000 worth of one. And now we will go on to Viper swipe. So if you are on Euphoria and you enter the app and you click WAGMI here, you can click buy on Viper swipe. And when you go on Viper swipe, you can type in Harmony right here and we'll click the max. Let's see. And we're going to make this swap right here. We'll probably want to keep a little bit of Harmony just to play around with the transactions. All right, we're going to confirm this. It says it's going to cost us 0.000328 Okay, now let's see how much WAGMI we have. We have 3,300 for one. We have 1.001 WAGMI. And if we go back to Euphoria, we will see on the dashboard that the price of WAGMI is $981. So we have around $980 in WAGMI. And when we click stake, we can go ahead and put let's refresh this and click max. Okay, we have our 1.001875 WAGMI. We're going to click approve. It's going to cost us literally no fee. Transaction successfully sent. So we should be now gaining 611,000 APY. We're going to show our results after a week, and hopefully we keep our Harmony in here for over a month and see the results that we build. We should see great results. Hopefully we make more from here than the price action of Harmony One, which is also in a good position to go for a parabolic run. So if you guys gain value from this video today, I'd appreciate if you click that like button. It'll get this type of content in front of similar minded people to show people what type of APYs you can get with DeFi on different blockchains. For AVAX, it was Time Wonderland. For Ethereum, it was Olympus Doa. For Polygon, it's Clima Doa. For Phantom, it's Hector Doa. And for Harmony, it's Euphoria DAO, these decentralized autonomous organizations. This seems to be the new trend of governance and uh, financial return with these bonds and minting and staking abilities. But let me know in the comments below what you think. A lot of these can be rug pulls, so you want to be careful when you see really high APYs. If you guys saw my video earlier today, we released a video on Elrond and the Maya exchange, something that is released by a first layer protocol like Maya exchange, which is built by Elrond's team. I'm not scared there because I was airdrop MEX tokens. I've held Elrond for so long, but for projects like Euphoria, Hector, Olympus Doa, and Time Wonderland, these could be rug pulls out of nowhere. But with the Maya exchange, there was a $1.2 billion incentive program and 280 million already put into the DEX. But I believe these are good projects with higher market caps. And I believe that these dApps, these first layer protocols have, a lot to lose on the line as well. So I believe that these will do well. We will keep you guys up to date, but smash that like button and click that bell button for time sensitive information. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, Instagram, the information will be below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I do go through everything step by step, but no question is a dumb question. And as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.